Hello guys, welcome back to Homesteading with Butch. Glad you could join me. It's been a while, but we're gonna make another little truck video today. I'm out here at Jesse's truck. Got this tunnel cover that we pulled off of her mama's truck. We're gonna try to put it on hers. So let's see what we can do. Get up in here. See what we can do here. Put that up there. One of these little brackets, and we're going to put it right off in here. Here. Try it again. So one clamp right there, another clamp right over here. We got tools. See if we can figure out this one. Let's go down there like that. That's just gonna push that up. Like that. Push it over. How's that hold it? So, here. Yes. Put it down there like that. Alright guys, you see I got a clamp here. It says clamp right there. Got one clamp there. Another one that says clamp right there. Got another clamp right there. Then we got the other clamp right here, but it goes down in that hole. Now I'm gonna tighten these up and see what happens. So I see what size it is, probably half. Half-inch socket. I'll have to go get extensions put on there. Okay guys, you'll see it's got a little drain right there. That's for this drain tube. And you got these little grommets that fit right here in this hole. So we're gonna run a little drain tube through there. Put a little drain tube through there if I can get it through there. Might be easier than it looks. I'll hook a little drain tube up on there. Okay, we got a little drain tube. I'm gonna stick this little drain tube down this hole. Well, your water go down in there instead of in the back of your truck. Stick this little grommet in there maybe. Try it around this one. See which way fits best. Alright, there you go. See all this on there tight? Alright. Now we're gonna do the other side. Same way. I'm gonna go ahead and hook my drain tube. I'm gonna see the little tubes. You get a little channel down in there that water can go out. So I'm gonna put that little drain tube on there already. I'm gonna set this up there like that. I'll get my middle clamp in here maybe. So, all off the bed then. Maybe to hold it a little bit till we get it. Come on, right? Come on, baby. It's hard to do this with one hand. Alright, there's one of them. Get that kind of tightened up where we can hold it. Reach my wrench. Let's tighten this one up where we can hold it a little bit. Alright, there's that one. Let's put this little clamp on there too. Alright, now let's tighten it up. The wind's blowing out here, guys. December 27th. The wind's whipping. Okay. See, we got a drain too. We're gonna get it fed through this grommet again. Put down through this hole. Get that grommet stuffed right back in there. Alright, there's that. See, we got this bracket. It's tight. This bracket is tight. Now we got one more bracket. You got to go back down in this hole and hook through the front. See if I can get you over where you can see. So we are going to put this right here. Try to get this bolt flying. Oh shoot, I dropped it. Well, I'm going to try to turn my tarp off my hay. Okay, we got that one on there. Let's see if we can't tighten it up. All right, guys, I'm gonna go get the bed cover and I'll be right back. All right, guys, you can see I got the bed cover. Now, let's get up here and see if we can't put it on. Hope the wind don't blow it off. Let's see. Sucker up. Kind of heavy. Okay, we got to set on there, guys. Now we got to get up under here. Let's look at it. Looks like under here. That's pretty good. See, we got these little brackets right here. I'll undo them, slide them over to the edge. Just little brackets. They just slide over. Get the bottom here. Give this in a little support. Got that one tight. Got another one on this side. You see right here. This little screw now. Just unscrew it. Put it right there. Tighten it back down. Ain't nothing to it. And it is there. Set you over here, buddy. Oh shit. See what it looks like on this side. Alright, let's get under here. Oh. So unfold this thing and see if we can adjust it all. I want to put the tailgate. So pick up on this a little bit and set the tailgate. Gonna have to adjust on that one a little bit, but you can see gonna look pretty good. Got a few little adjustments to do. Didn't turn out too bad. Okay guys, I'm gonna do some little adjustments on it. Get it where to clamp down better. And that's gonna be it for me. I hope y'all enjoyed this little video. Thank y'all for tuning in. And don't forget, go down and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Alright, well always, we'll see you on the next one. God bless you. Bye.